Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing today? How to make money on bybit without investment? Before we begin, I have to clarify something. When I said without investment, it doesn't mean you not have to have money, right? But it doesn't necessarily need a lot of money, like $500, $300, $3,000 and more. If you have maybe like $50, $20, $30, even $10 or $100, you are good. Before we begin, comment. I want to show you something. Comment where you see this up right here. This where you see reward up. If you click on your reward up, you might not see any reward, right? But this is my reward right now. I have about like 6 reward, and I will show you how you can actually do all that too, and everything step by step too, right? Before we begin, every step in this video is important. Every step we'll be going through, every step is not important, right? But there is two last step, which is the last step, and the second to the last step. The last step, I will show you how you can do it without no money. All you just need is people, and I will tell you how you can actually get the people. While the second to the last step, all you just need is $50, right? So with that being said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let's dive right into this video, guys. So the first step is spot trading. Come here to AC trading. Come here, click on trading, right? So this spot trading, all you just have to do is to flip coin, right? You can actually do this with $20, even $50, just to flip coin. They call it the trading, just to flip coin for a few minutes or a few days, or sometimes even an hour. Sometimes this coin do look really fast, right? So let me say this is Bitcoin, right? These are people that are buying. These are people that are selling. This red one, this green one are people that are buying, right? So let me see, Bitcoin is currently at 112, right? 0.46, right? So if you want to trade, you can actually buy Bitcoin right now. With the Bitcoin actually shift to maybe 1120.9, right? 0.9 or 0.10 or even 1120.1, right? So you can actually sell, right? You can actually sell and make money. So, or you can come into future. This future, you bet in the direction of the market. But if you said, I don't know how to trade future, I don't know how to trade future, or I'm new to crypto, do not worry. Come here to where you see home right here. Come here to where you see copy trade, right? Click here where you see copy trade. You don't necessarily need to have to copy the trade, but if you don't know how to trade or understand trading, come here to where you see copy trade. Click on copy trade, right? There is a lot we will learn today apart from all this one, right? So this is just the beginning. So come here to copy trade. If you come here to copy trade, you see that this guy right here, has about 95%, right? 95% ratio of winning, right? So you can come here to this place here, click on it to view the guy, everything the guy has already made. You can see the trade, you can see the ratio of winning is 99%. You can usually join this whitelist and copy this guy. So if you are watching this video on short, guys, short video does not collect about 2 to 3 minute long video. You can actually watch this long form video. I'm sorry for this short video, but before you come to the long form video, don't forget to subscribe. All right, so if you are in the long form video now, welcome. So all you just have to do, right, is to come here to this place and actually look at this guy. You can see the profit, the total asset the guy made. You can see the loss ratio. The loss ratio is 0.001%. You can see the ROO and the winning. So all you just have to do is to join the whitelist. Once you join the whitelist, the guy will automatically put you in the trade. Each time the guy want to make a trade, it probably send you the trade that I want to make a trade. It probably send you the trade, right? Probably will probably send you the trade, say listen, I want to make a trade, then you can call the trade. But if you don't want to follow that guy, right, come here to trade. Just look, like I said earlier, just you can see Bitcoin is currently at, like, Bitcoin was at 112.06, is at 112.09 right now. So if you have bought Bitcoin, like, maybe you might have sell it now, right? So that's how, or you don't necessarily need to do Bitcoin. You come here to where you see this place right here, click on it. Then there is a lot of coin you can actually flip right here. There's a lot of coin you can actually flip, right? So the next step we'll be talking about is earn. Come here to where you see earn, right? Click here to where you see earn right here, click on earn. So this earn, it actually look like investment as staking, but this is not what we are going for. So what we are going for is actually stake, and that stake you'll be getting every reward that Bitcoin, that Binance, every airdrop, crypto airdrop that Binance is releasing. So this one, if you have free money kept, let me say you have like $100, or you have like $50, you have to divide it into $25, using $25 to trade, while using the main $25 for this staking. You can come here to where you see advanced or easy. Come here to where you see easy right here, easy, and click on easy earn. In this easy earn, you see a lot of earning you can actually do and earn APY. This APY doesn't necessarily mean that you need to earn direct APY, but anytime you stake on all these coin right here, any Binance airdrop they are doing, you'll be receiving from inside. Let's go back to where you see this back here. So and this place where you see advanced, I click on this advanced, click on this advanced too. You can also do the same on this advanced. This advanced where you see this feature of smart leverage, you can actually use this smart leverage. Click on it, then click on it. You can actually use this smart leverage. You see your break even, profit and break loss, your maximum loss and investment, which is about the break even is 1.9 mnt. You can actually click on it. If you don't understand all this one, it's fine, you can leave all this one for now. So then let's go back to where you see this on chain. Click on all this on chain and to right in this on-chain end, this one you are getting bonus. Click on this stake app, right? Stake app, you'll be getting bonus, and as I said earlier, any investment, any job you are doing, you also be having you also be getting from inside, right? You also be having from inside. Really simple. And the number two step is peer to peer, right? Yeah, you can do peer to peer. If you are any country that support peer to peer, it's fine. Comment where you see how can you trade peer to peer. Let me tell you how you can trade peer to peer and make money. Comment where you see home, click on more. Comment where you see deposit, click on deposit. Let me go back. Comment where you see deposit, click on deposit. Then comment where you see peer to peer, click on peer to peer. So what you are doing in this peer to peer, I've been in circumstances less people know that listen, I'm a crypto trader. I trade crypto, I'm expert in crypto. I've been in circumstances where a lot of people will tell me that I want you to help me trade. I will send you crypto to help me trade. I said, no, listen, I don't want to sell you because most of those guys, I don't really trust them. I feel that most of those guys are into some kind of stuff. Like, so that I'll tell them that listen, I don't want to trade because I don't need any trouble. So I've met a lot of friends and people who are ready to want me to trade from them, right? Let people know, always tell people if you are with them, always tell people that I'm a crypto trader, I trade cryptocurrency. I'm a crypto trader, I trade cryptocurrency. So that they should know that most of them they have coin they will give you to trade, right? You always comment to where you see home. This is the surface, this is where you can buy and this is where you can sell, right? Comment to where you see home right here, this little profile right here. Click on it, right? Comment to where you see apply for advert, right? Apply for advert. Click on this apply for advert. So scroll down here, my everything is okay, all I just need is just number. Click here. Once everything is okay on your own, apply for the advert. You can create advert and they will be giving you bonus every week or every month, depending on how many trade you actually make, right? They'll also be giving you bonus. And if a lot of people are saying listen, I want to trade, so trade and tell people that you trade. You can trade thousands of dollars for there and cut your own. After you cut your own profit, bybit will still give you a little bit of compensation, right? You can see they will give you a little bit of they will give you a little bit of money too, right? So yeah, that's how it work. So that's how this peer to peer side work. You can make money for this peer to peer. Let's go back. Sorry, click here to where you see deposit, click on deposit, click here where you see peer to peer. Yeah, you can make money by selling other people coin, or if you have your own, by selling your own product too. So if you don't know how peer to peer work, I already make a video of how you can actually use peer to peer, right? How you can actually use peer to peer. So I will make a video about that. And so the next step is hub. Learn hub. Comment where you see end up. Let's comment where you see, scroll down here and come back here where you see hub. Click on this hub right here. Let's go back. Click here where you see hub. Click on this hub right here. In this up section, there's a lot of way you can, as you can see, I already earned six. Give a lot of these one and earn $100. Most of those are not here. Maybe that one are just direct, right? Direct, right? So most of the reward is not there. So what you're going to do, you see where you say earn this, where you say 2 million Zara is web reward, right? So what you're going to do, like I said earlier, that what you need is just maybe $50. If you click here to where you see invite, click on this place where you see this first one right here, click on it. What they are telling you is that all you just have to do is to trade $50, right? Is to trade, look at it right here, trade $50. So what you don't necessarily need to do is to buy this coin $50 and hold the coin. And Zara coin right now is really cost. I will check the price later on this coin. Just trade the $50. Once you trade the $50, after you see the it will be ending in 24 hours time. Once you click on accept, you can see it will be ending in 22 hour time. Once you click on accept and trade, right, automatically once you trade the $50, you have to wait. Trade the $50, wait after it end, after the this thing end in 24 hours. You can remove your money or keep it a little bit. Then after the everything end, they will give you your 55 silver airdrop immediately. 55 silver airdrop immediately. That will make you money double that, even double that your $50 that you use in trading. So I hope you understand, right? You can also do this on, you can also invite people here, but just trade the $50. That's cool, right? Comment to where you see accept. You can comment to where you see accept. Click here. You can also trade $50 and get also 35 Zara airdrop on the web TV, on this web TV. This one is just the trading, while this one is on the web TV. And the last two steps I was talking about, the second to the last step I was talking about is actually called arbitrage. So that arbitrage, what is an arbitrage? So arbitrage, you can come here to where you see trading. You can buy Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin right now on this place, you can see Bitcoin is currently at 110. If you have bought right now, you can see the price now right now is now at 112.108. So you can do arbitrage. What I mean by arbitrage, you can actually come here to send this, buy Bitcoin right here, go sell it on bybit, on Binance, or sell it on another exchange which Bitcoin is more cost, which Bitcoin price is more high. You can come here, you don't necessarily need to be Bitcoin because Bitcoin fee are high. Come here to this place right here, come here to this place and click here to actually see a lot of other low coin you can actually buy right now. Maybe Solana, you can actually buy Solana right now, send it to bybit, right? Send it to Binance and reflip it to Binance, right? And you make money too. That one, if you make $50, you can do it many times a day, maybe even 10 times or 20 times a day. Depend, as long as the this thing is still in, let me say the as long as the trade is still intact, right? As long as the trade is still the price of the trade in the other exchange is still intact. And the last step is referral, right? Comment to referral. You said, oh, I don't have people. That's why I said I will tell you how to get people. Comment where you see home, click on home, click here you see and click here you see invite. Click on invite. So this referral, what you'll be doing right here is to open a YouTube account, right? Open a YouTube account. Make how to open Bybit account. You can watch the video how to open Bybit account, which I already created. Watch the video and recreate your own video. Make sure it's this full screen. Record your screen, and do not put thumbnail. Just after you upload, after you already make the video, just upload it like that, because YouTube normally favor people with no more full screen like this. Put it and put your link in the description, right? People will start using, before you know, maybe like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, people must watch that video. Once people start watching the video, you actually get a lot of people coming to your site, and anytime the person buy and trade, you make money, right? That's how it works, right? So I don't know how all these things I said make impact in you, but if all these things I said, and you stay to the end of this video, thank you very much. And lastly, if everything I said really make impact for you, which is also the last one, to create video and upload it, don't forget to like, share, turn on notification bell for more content like this and for more updates like this, and subscribe to. I will see you in the next video. So guys, that's it for this video, guys. So peace out, see you in the next video.